former Kotalim MLA Anina Saldana, who have recently joined in Aam Aadmi Party, have extended her full support to the hunger strike proposed by the villagers under the banner of Kasalim Arusim Kuelim Village Action Group against the third hotel project proposed in the village of Kasalim Arusim Kuelim on the occasion of Goa Liberation Day on Sunday. The agitated villagers would hold the hunger strike for a day in order to divert the attention of the government for opposing the project, which is against the interests of the people. It may be recalled that the villagers have alleged that the government officers are allowing corporates to convert village fields into development zones, despite complaints by the villagers, and hence they are forced to take decision of hunger strike on Goa Liberation Day so that government might come and listen to their grievances.
Opposing is destruction of the environment. See, now they are the owners of the land, okay? Owners of the land, but that doesn't mean that they can do what they want. They have to see the environment around. They have to see what are the, environmentally sensitive areas. Now, this area has got what we call water bodies. Handios, they are known as handios. Okay, 7 handios आसा. ओके आणि ह्यो हांड्योस म्हत्वाच्यो हांड्योस आसा कित्याक पावसाच्या दिसांनी पावसाचें उदक ह्या हांड्यांनी भरता आनी हिंगासून मागीर हें उदक दर्यान वता ओके एंड दॅट इज हाव द वॉटर ऑफ द एंटायर विलेज इज टेकन केअर ऑफ ड्युरिंग द मॉन्सून्स ओके नाव ऑब्वियसली what the proponent is doing, the hotel proponent is doing, is trying to fill up those bodies, okay, or blocking the the view of those bodies from the people so that nobody knows what's going on inside. And let us not forget that if these water bodies, the handios, are what should I say, closed up, then where will the water go? And in this area there are several mud houses. If the water is not allowed in these handios, then the water will be retained in the area and gradually the mud houses will collapse. Who's going to give them a new house?
So you will be taking part
in that tomorrow.
My question was whether you will be supporting them.
I've always been there with them. Yes, I may go for a while, definitely to show my solidarity and my support. And let me tell you, similarly, there is another issue. The mini India Park issue at Kelosi. That is an issue, okay, which is going on for quite some time now. Mini India Park project is absolutely environmentally a no-no project, okay, because every department has given its stand saying that this project cannot happen. This project cannot happen, okay, and because it is anti-environment, this project cannot happen, and still hearings are going on. I heard that the BJP party claimed that they had stopped the project. They have not stopped the project. Hearings are still going on, and I was the one to attend the hearings. Not even the panchayat is brought into the picture for these hearings, and in fact I asked the chairperson of the environment GCZMA, why is it that you're going on with the last hearing? I think was yesterday or day before yesterday, and I could not attend, and I requested them to postpone. Okay, now why is it that you're still going on with hearings regarding mini India Park project when every document that is there with respect to this issue from the environment department states very clearly that this is not possible as per the laws, as per the rules. So what are we going on for? IPP itself had withdrawn its permission for mini India Park project, and now I've come to know that they're trying to give the permission again. So what is this? Where is the law? Does law change from one moment to the other? No, I think we need to now. And the village, we're going to destroy the village. We're going to destroy the life of the villagers. And you should investigate about this project, and you'll come to know who are partners.